Hello, this is World University and Schools live stream in a new test live stream to a WUaS LiveStream channel on Monday, April 27th, 2020. I'm Scott McLeod. In exploring this new WUaS LiveStream channel, which will be eventually connected with youtube.com/WORLD UNIVANDSCH. And for information about these Monday morning live streams at 10 a.m., see twitter.com/WORLD UNIVANDSCH. I'd like to talk this morning and potentially with anyone who will join us. I've sent an invitation to about 30 people about World University and Schools' upcoming conversation with the MIT Office for Digital Learning on Thursday, May 14th. So World University and School continues to seek to develop MIT Open Courseware, 2,400 courses in English, undergraduate and graduate, into online degrees with MIT Open Courseware Creative Commons 4 licensing. And World University and School seeks to license with the state of California's BPPE, Bureau for Private Post-Secondary Education, and then accredit concurrently with WASC, Western Association of Schools and Colleges. And the degrees we'd like to offer this autumn are EECS, Electrical Engineering, Computer Science, as well as General Science, and thirdly, General Engineering, and fourthly, English, fifth, History, and sixth, Business. And in the process for these free-to-students bachelor's degrees, because we're developing out of MIT Open Courseware's Creative Commons 4 license, which says share for one, adapt. Anyone can freely adapt. Secondly, the MIT Open Courseware. Thirdly, non-commercially. World University and School is seeking potentially to explore working with MITx. So MIT Open Courseware into MITx already exists. MITx courses are under the umbrella of edX, and there are about 205 courses already from MIT Open Courseware transposed into MITx, which are more structured for students taking them. MIT Open Courseware is very open-ended. So building on potentially this conversation with MIT Office for Digital Learning with Sanjay Sarma, head there, World University and School seeks to explore both offering these 6 degrees, communication with Office for Digital Learning at MIT, and communication with edX, MITx. edX was founded by Harvard and MIT, and then further explore other possibilities. Sanjay, in a email recently, said they haven't been doing too much new things, and I will find out more what that means. But some of the things World University and School would like to explore as we get more student inquiries about our online bachelor's degree beginning second class this autumn are more majors, more degrees than the 6 we're planning to offer. And if something like MITx from MIT Open Courseware with the Office for Digital Learning could help facilitate that, that would be great. As many as possibly all 32 departments in MIT Open Courseware into first year or undergraduate degrees with courses. Is this possible? Is one question. with Sanjay in the Office for Digital Learning at MIT. Another thing World University and School would like to explore is the possibility of adding a kind of Reed College Hume 110 course, Hume 101, World University and School would like to call it, studying the ancient Greek world and the beginnings of critical thinking, philosophy, mathematics, science, drama, the idea of the nation state, speech, elocution in some ways. Athenians were great orators. Poetry, literature, history, anthropology. It was a very generative time. And there's also potentially much opportunity for learning writing. And in this Hume 101 course that World University and School would like to explore adding to our upcoming bachelor's degree class courses in the autumn. Now, Reed College is going online as well due to the coronavirus pandemic, and maybe online in the autumn, so they may be developing Hume 110 for online. World University and School would also like to make Hume 110 very fascinating in new ways, potentially thanks to the internet and to communication channels in group video, with group text, for example, and many other ways. So the question I would like to explore with Sanjay Sarma also is, would it be possible to both expand the number of majors or build out the 6 majors we're doing for this autumn and add a Hume 110 course that would fit into our curriculum, Hume 101 course at World University and School, and also how to plan for developing a single realistic virtual Earth for everything. Think Google Street View with Time Slider, Google Maps, Google Earth, TensorFlow for AI, artificial intelligence, and Google Translate with avatar bots, avatars of both species and individuals of you and I, for example, that would allow for a kind of new active learning, active making, active building approach in this single realistic virtual Earth. Think Google Street View with Second Life, which is group buildable, and where the avatars also have voice. And in this single realistic virtual Earth for potentially active learning and STEM field sites, science, technology, engineering, mathematics field sites, building on all the simulations that scientists have created to model the natural and physical world over now a number of decades, where all these simulations are somewhat fragmented. We'd like to facilitate creating them in one single realistic virtual Earth. It might even be further generative with machine learning and artificial intelligence, and also this single realistic virtual Earth for classrooms. Is yet a third question I'd like to explore with Sanjay Sarma. In what ways could World University and School engage MIT infrastructure to help build out this first year of courses, maybe 6 majors, maybe more, for the autumn, in conversation with MIT Office for Digital Learning, edX, MITx, are all interesting questions. So that's a little bit of, for today's WUaS LiveStream in this new test of the WUaS LiveStream channel. It's an experiment to see if this will work. Stay tuned. The next WUaS News question and answer live stream will happen on next Monday at 10 a.m. Pacific time, California time. Stay tuned to both youtube.com/WORLD, UNIVANDSCH, as well as twitter.com/WORLD, UNIVANDSCH, as we develop this new experimental channel further, as well as begin to offer application opportunities for prospective undergraduate students for this autumn. Students will be studying in English and potentially from all 200 countries and online. So info@worlduniversityandschool.org is the email address. Worlduniversityandschool.org is the website for the homepage. And stay tuned. See you next week. And thank you. I'm Scott McLeod. This is Monday, April 27th, 2020. See you soon. Bye for now.